Hey there YouTube, it is South Georgia Hot Wheel, and yes, I have cracked this before, so this is not another cracking video, but I did want to show this. This is one of my favorite Supers in a while. Only problem I saw with it is the wheels, so I just wanted to show you guys what I did. Put some new shoes on it. I don't know, that thing looks so much better. Real riders. If any of you are wondering, put them off the Archie Bronco. They seem to work real well. It rolls. Rolls alright. This back wheel kind of bent it trying to get it off. I'm horrible at getting them off metal bottoms. Do not know what I'm doing wrong. But man, pretty sweet. Just the way it should look. Looks more like a real car now. Something I would actually drive around because I love Jeeps. But figured I would go ahead and pop this back in the protector pack, or pop this back in its case. So I'm gonna put some acetone on the back of it. A little bit more than I wanted on there. And that's alright. Got it pretty drenched in the back. So now that I've done that, let me back up a little bit. Now that I've drenched the back, should be able to just pop this bad boy right up. Not quite yet. A little bit more on that side. There we go. Probably not the best way to do this. Let that fall right out. Pop this right on in there. Ooh, don't fit as well as it did. And put some little clips on there. Well, anyway, sorry about that. Once it dries, the glue will reactivate and you'll never even know. So I'll have me a carded, pretty sweet Jeep. But that's it right there. And now I got another loose one to do the same thing with. Got me a couple of those little things. Stole the wheels off of them, so hopefully I'll be able to make a couple of those. Because now that is a sweet car. Didn't mean this video to be so long, but alright guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.